To hide files in the Samsung Galaxy S25, first we need to open our secure folder. So you can find it in the app drawer or your home screen. After you open it for the first time, you'll need to set up a password that you're gonna use to unlock your secure folder. I already done mine, so I can unlock it, and then there's our secure folder right here. Now to actually hide the files, we'll need to click on the three dots right there and then add files. Now you can choose between different categories of files that you can hide. In this case, I'm gonna go for my files right here, and then we can choose specific things to hide. And let's go with this application right here. I mean app installation file, and then there's the option to copy or move it. The difference is if you copy it, then those files will still remain in your normal phone storage and will be copied to secure folder, and in both places you'll be able to access it. If you move it, then those files will be only available for your secure folder. So let's move them, and then to access those files you need to open my files right here, and then they should be somewhere around here, in this case in downloads. And that is basically everything.